Right, welcome to Art First Edition. So today we are going to try and make ourselves a pendulum painting just with our three primary colours. Pretty simple setup, 2 chairs. I found that in the mass storeroom, I don't know, I have no idea what it is. And then a plastic cup, 3 bits of string. I cut them all at the same length. I've got a little thumbtack on the bottom of our cup where our hole is, so I'll pull that out when I put the paints in. The 3 paints, just the primary colours, pretty simple. I haven't tried this before, so it might work, it might not. Watered our paints down so they dribble out. Pretty simple, bit of paper, something to hold your pendulum. So let's, alrighty, so I managed to cut a bigger hole in the bottom of our container and I'll put a bit more water in our paint, so we'll give it a crack now and see, hopefully something happens. So we'll dip our paint in, and if we give it a bit of a swing, there, tip back out. We'll put the red paint in now, why not? Change our angle. Yellow in. It's kind of going orange. And there you have it. What a masterpiece. So it's pretty simple, you just need to worry about a couple of things, making sure your hole's big enough, but also that your paint is liquidy enough so it runs out nice and smooth. So even there, it's still quite a lot of drops. But that's pretty cool, pretty easy to do, and anyone can do that at home, so give it a crack.